When it comes to upgrading your Fort Lauderdale property, few investments add more comfort, energy efficiency, and value than new windows. However, even the best windows can underperform or fail prematurely if they're not installed correctly. The subtropical climate of South Florida, with its heat, humidity, and hurricane threats, makes precision installation even more critical. Here are the top window installation mistakes homeowners and property managers should avoid to protect their investment and ensure long-term performance. Choosing the wrong window type for the climate. Fort Lauderdale's coastal weather demands more than just aesthetics when selecting windows. One of the biggest mistakes property owners make is installing standard residential windows not rated for high humidity, salt air, or hurricane-force winds. Opt for impact-resistant windows with laminated glass and reinforced frames that meet Florida Building Code standards. Energy-efficient models with low E coatings and insulated glass also help reduce heat transfer and lower cooling costs. Choosing the wrong type of window can lead to higher energy bills, moisture damage, and reduced safety during storm season. Ignoring proper measurement and fit precision matters in window installation. Even a small gap or uneven frame can lead to air leaks, water infiltration, and structural stress. Many DIY installers or inexperienced contractors make the mistake of relying on rough openings rather than taking exact frame-to-frame measurements. Always measure each opening individually. Homes often settle over time, causing slight shifts that require customized fitting. A properly sized window not only ensures a snug, energy-efficient seal but also enhances the window's structural integrity. Poor sealing and insulation. In Fort Lauderdale's humid environment, improper sealing can quickly lead to mold, rot, and warped window frames. One common mistake is using the wrong type of caulk or foam insulation. Standard indoor-grade sealants break down quickly under UV rays and moisture exposure. Instead, use high-quality, exterior-grade silicone or polyurethane sealant designed for Florida's weather conditions. Also, ensure the installation includes proper flashing to direct water away from the frame. Even the smallest gaps can allow warm air, moisture, and pests to enter your home, compromising both comfort and air quality. Neglecting the building envelope. A window isn't just a standalone fixture, it's part of the overall building envelope that controls airflow, moisture, and insulation. Many installations fail because contractors overlook how the window interacts with adjacent materials like stucco, siding, or brick. In Fort Lauderdale's climate, the building envelope must be tightly sealed and water-resistant. Misaligned or poorly integrated installations can lead to leaks behind the walls, hidden mold growth, and costly structural damage. Always ensure that the window installation aligns with the property's moisture barrier system for maximum protection. Hiring unlicensed or inexperienced installers. Window installation is a specialized trade that requires technical skill, knowledge of local building codes, and familiarity with South Florida's climate challenges. Unfortunately, many property owners try to cut costs by hiring unlicensed handymen or general contractors. Fort Lauderdale's strict permitting process requires licensed and insured window installers who can ensure compliance with hurricane impact standards and energy efficiency regulations. A professional installer provides warranties, guarantees proper sealing, and ensures your new windows meet safety certifications. Skipping post-installation inspection. Once the windows are installed, many homeowners assume the job is done. However, skipping a post-installation inspection is a critical mistake. Even well-installed windows can have minor issues such as frame misalignment, missing sealant, or unbalanced sashes that affect performance over time. After installation, check for drafts, ensure windows open and close smoothly, and verify that locks and seals are fully functional. A quick inspection can catch small issues before they escalate into costly repairs. Overlooking maintenance needs. Even the best installation won't last without proper maintenance. Salt air, humidity, and daily sun exposure in Fort Lauderdale can corrode metal components and wear down sealants. Regularly clean window tracks, lubricate hardware, and inspect caulking for signs of deterioration. Routine upkeep not only extends the lifespan of your windows but also keeps your property energy efficient and visually appealing year-round. Final thoughts: avoiding these common mistakes can save Fort Lauderdale property owners thousands in repairs and energy costs. From choosing the right materials to ensuring professional installation, every step matters when it comes to window performance and durability. Invest in quality products, work with certified local installers, and pay attention to detail. Doing so ensures your windows can withstand South Florida's demanding weather, keeping your home safe, efficient, and beautiful for years to come.